Hello everyone, I'm Haritha and back with my videos. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of a happy content and a peaceful life? A roof for your head, a job for your living, a car of your own choices, etc, etc, etc. Priorities change from person to person, but something that's quite common in everyone who longs, irrespective of who they are, is love. Why? Because it's survival. If you ask me what's love, I would say that it's the most divine feeling on earth. We can share that, it's pure, it's tender, and it can be shared in abundance. Now, when I speak about love, I mean everything. That's we start loving though we are not in this world, right? When we are in mother's womb, we are loved by our mother, and after our birth we are loved by our parents, siblings, grandparents, and the complete family. After we grow big, we are loved by our friends. We keep a bonding with them which is stronger than anything. That's because we love each other. Life is very short. We don't know what the next moment is going to be. But what we do is we are spending our time in hatred and guilt of others. We never love others. So instead, start loving others till your last breath. Spread the virus called as love before all around you, so that you could get in return a happy and huge hunk of people called as loud people. So be loud yourself and love others. Thank you. Keep watching and like and share my videos.